What's up, you guys? This is
overnight stay. Yeah, so I check with the
SXMPLYCAS.
Get it.
Got up, thank the Lord for the day. Woke up by a girl, I don't even know her name.
Yep. Hey you guys, I guess I'm just gonna start like vlogging bits and pieces of my journey to leaving Korea and PCS. And sorry I look crazy, it's been a long day. Yeah, today is Monday, 25th of November. For work today, I actually went to Yongsan to inventory some items that I have stationed in Yongsan because I'm doing my hand receipt switchover, which should have been done like since October, but this unit is just stressful. Anyways, yeah, so I went with the new staff star who's going to be replacing me. She's going to be signing for everything. She's real cool, real chill. I like her vibe. I never really talk about my business on YouTube, so yeah, your girl is a graphic designer. I've been designing stuff since I was like in high school. I've always had like a creative I'm just a very creative person per se. And so Black Friday is coming up, so which is a great thing for small business owners like myself. And your girl is working on her website. I'm so far behind because I had an idea what I wanted to do, but it's just so much stuff to do that goes along with it. So I'm working on a few items. So I use Wix. If you guys don't know, my company is Pacific Class Co. LLC. I need to change it or whatever. Being a graphic designer is so hard. Like, I don't know, I'm very good at branding other people's stuff, but I'm never satisfied with my own brand. Like, I don't have an official logo or whatever. I don't have an overall cohesive brand, which we're working on, y'all, but I'm so wishy-washy, honestly. Probably gonna work on this after I finish this logo for a client. And yeah, I'll check back in later. I'm trying to multitask and talk. So yeah, I'll be leaving soon, but like I still have to clear the company. My hand receipt is probably the biggest issue right now, and my award. I'm not gonna go on a spill with that until you're not gonna hear me talk about like my experience here in Korea until I officially leave this unit. So look for a video sometime in December, later December, not the beginning, somewhere in between there. I'm gonna talk about my experience and how it was being at this duty station in Korea and what I didn't and what I did like about it. And I'll go in, you know, go ham. I'm not gonna call any names, we're just gonna go ham. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be talking about in those videos. But I just feel like I should start doing my little vlogging, my process, you know, just giving y'all an insight on my life. I'm a very private person compared to like other YouTubers or army vloggers. I'm very private about my life, so I'm gonna give y'all a little hair in there, even though I don't got nothing popping going on, but we here, right? So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. And yeah,
It's like everybody's.
are you ready? Oh. Riley, what are you doing? Are you ready? Are you gonna win?
What?
Are you gonna beat all the E5, well, E6 and above?
All them old folk over there can't hold me, man.
What you got on?
You will get these. Hey, the exclusives in the bag. The exclusives in the bag.
Whatever.
You know?
Lee, you're on my vlog.
They too old for it. They can't hold her.
That's how you feel?
They too old now. You too slow.
Ooh, Sergeant Major, you talking trash? You playing, Sergeant Major?
Hell no.
It's too much. No! Alright, Sergeant Major. Sergeant Major was talking all that over there, so his knee, he should be playing.
He's lit right now.
Oh shit, there's freaking frisbee going on too. Yeah, you didn't know that? Holy shit, there's too many things going on.
Oh my god.
Recording. Hey, say something for the camera. Say something for the camera. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey,
I just want to say, really proud of Sergeant Stapleton. She ran out.
went out, she led from the front. She did a lot of stuff in the background that you guys didn't see, but most importantly, she was the voice in the boss events, all the boss events. So everybody give her a round of applause. Really proud of her. Hate to see her go. Next unit is really gonna be lucky to have her.
Cause Lee was about to get left. Who's gonna leave him?
know how I'm coming.
Lee.
Yeah, send me that.
Lee. Final words.
Final words. You ain't dying. She said final words like somebody dying or something.
No longer his NCO
We'll
anymore.
miss you. And
No.
this office gonna be different without you. I'm be all of them.
Damn, you gotta stay with a guy first.
Yeah, because I got an iPhone too.
You trying to record me without me knowing, you hear me?
Her face. My last final days at work. Since everybody keep asking me about like what I.
Soldier, you feel me? That shit.
I got an iPhone too.
What is you going at with this?
What kind of face you made, you know?
I don't know. Why would I know? I can't see my own face.
Yeah, replay, redo. And you made that face Saturday.
What face I made?
I seen it on her snap.
On my
You were
snap?
like, look, you were like, look.
Lee always trying me, okay?
You know what I'm talking about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I showed you my phone.
You know what? I can strength Lee now because he's technically no longer my soldier.
Play it.
What did I do?
Play the snap.
Oh, my friend.
Go ahead and record that thing.
I am. It's recording.
What's your YouTube? You there? What you do?
I don't know how her channel be starting. What's up, you guys? This is
Overnight stay.
SXMPLYCAS.
Get it?
Sorry, I hear what you're saying. Yeah, I know what you're about. But
That's how she be starting her YouTube channel, y'all. If y'all don't know, she a YouTube star. Y'all go follow her YouTube channel.
Now you gotta find
She be on there doing that thing on
because the
YouTube.
bus don't even work that early. Well, the bus is from here. Don't come. Oh, sorry. I gotta be there before 7 o'clock.
We
Wait,
be
no, the people with
No, you
cars.
That's
He said what is going on.
If you check your bags in the night, you don't have to be there till like 8 or 9 tomorrow.
No,
I ain't gonna let them help my bags. These fucking
bag?
crazy ass people.
that's the latest day I can. That's what they said.
You know how many times I drop people off at 8? I drop one family off at 9.
It's fine. Everyone stop. Alright, I want to thank everybody for showing up today. The Sergeant Stapleton's going away. The amount of people who came is a testament to the effect that she had in our section. So, you know, Sergeant Stapleton used to work for Master Sergeant Wilson, and I knew she was just like dying to join my team, but Master Sergeant Wilson was like, nah, you staying with me. But eventually, she joined the team.
No, you joined our team.
Okay, that could have been the way it worked, but you know, it's my story. It's my story, so yeah. So, working with Sergeant Stapleton's been like, it's been a real pleasure. Real pleasure. We appreciate everything you did. Pretty much, it's just an echo of what I said this morning when we gave you your award. Sergeant Stapleton's walking out here with an RCOM, which is a testament as an E5 to the amount of work and the love she put into the unit. So, I was thinking, like, what am I going to get, or what are we going to get Sergeant Stapleton as her going away present? And, you know, me personally, I like to, if Lee's going away, I'm going to be like, hey, Lee, follow me. Let's go see what you want for your gift. So that way you can get exactly what you wanted. So I'm like, hey, Sergeant Stapleton, let's go. Let me get an idea of what you want. And she was like, nah, I don't want to. I don't want to pick my plaque. I want you guys to just like be original. I want you to like think of something from your heart. And I was like, okay, so you don't want anything. So for like the next week and a half, you know, I was just minding my business. But Lee was like, yo, we really got to get Sergeant Stapleton, you know, a plaque and everything. And I was like, no, we got to teach her a lesson. So, you know, this doesn't happen again. But thanks to Lee, he talked some sense into me. We went out and we got you a plaque. So.
Drum roll, please.
Okay.
Yeah, we really did that. We really did that. Really did that. And then on the back.
YouTube. It's a YouTube.
And then on the back, we got the first SIG coin, and it says to Sergeant Stapleton from the Plex and Training Section, 8 December 2018, 10 December 2019. This is us being creative and coming from the heart.
Yay!
This is on YouTube.
It is. I hate speaking in public, but I really appreciate you all for being here. It's been a long year, and I really appreciate every last one of you, all the way from Sergeant Major, Colonel Pasha, S3 Sergeant Major, Major Peralta, Colonel Humphreys, all the Max Sergeants I've been under, all 5 of y'all. I've been under, and Lee, my soldier, Sergeant Alvarez, all my close friends here. I really appreciate my time being here with you guys. You made it enjoyable and fun at the same time, and thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. And we all posing for you.
You sit down for the picture. Okay. One. Come on, big man, get in there.
Oh, my knees. I ain't gonna be able to get back up.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you just put your butt in her face. Okay. We got the butt in her face too, and
I can feel that. It was a big old.
Wait, which one is that? Not the iPhone?
Definitely not the iPhone.
What?
Maybe she need to wipe it down. Wipe the camera down. You know when your hair oily.
And he just came over here and just.
I probably look crazy. As crazy as I possibly can, but your girl is officially my last night in South Korea. Like, I fly out basically in less than a day. So yeah, so today was my going away / award presentation. Today, hopefully you don't hear my roommate. She loud over there, so whatever. Hopefully you don't hear her, but yeah. So today I didn't go to PT formation because I'm not gonna do PT. And then I got a text saying, hey, we present your award today at multiple formation. I'm like, I thought they was gonna present it at the going away luncheon, but whatever. I had to hurry up and get dressed, fix my hair for work. My hair looked crazy compared to what it looks like now because I took my butt out. But yeah, so now I just have to finish like cleaning up, like just finish packing. I'm about to go shower, wash a little bit of clothes I got left, and then just pack everything up. Tomorrow I'm trying to get to the airport by like 5:50. That's the earliest you can get there. For Osan, I am flying a military flight. I'm not going to Incheon, which is usually a civilian flight. So yeah, I'm flying out again through the military like I flew in here in Osan. So yeah, I got my award, I got my ARCOM after like all the hoopla about it. Like, that's a whole nother story to talk about, but I won't get too much into it. I got my ARCOM, well deserved. They should already know. Shout out to Colonel Pashak and S1 and Sergeant Major Weaver for just going ahead and like approving it to bump it from AM to ARCOM, because people try to play me like I ain't do nothing here my whole time at this brigade. I love my going away gift. Let me show y'all. So this is my award, not my award, why do I keep saying award? So this is my going away gift. You know, like everybody in Korea usually gets like a going away gift. It's just something, it's just a tradition that you get a nice going away gift. So I told them I want something very creative, something that speaks to me. I don't want like a generic, you know, flag encased Korean, like typical Korean going away present. Shout out to my soldier Lee. I know you probably gonna watch this. Shout out to Lee. Everybody knows that I do YouTube and my brigade, like especially in my company at HAC, it just spread like wildfire. That's Sergeant Stapleton does YouTube. So shout out to Lee. He got me my first ever YouTube play button. And on the back it has the brigade coin. So this is the brigade coin here, and then this is what it says on the back. So on the back says, to Sergeant Stapleton from the Plex and Training Section, 8 December 2018 through 10 December 2019. This is us being creative and coming from the heart. So I absolutely love this. I'm gonna put this, if I have a desk at my new unit, I'm gonna put this on my desk. Very creative. So if you ever see somebody else with the YouTube button from Korea, they copied me, okay? And then my sergeant major, he was telling me since last week before I leave, come to his office, blah, blah, blah. So I got presented another coin. It's the same coin on my, yeah, it's the same coin on here, like they have it actually on here. So technically this is my third coin, but this is my going away coin from our brigade sergeant major, Command Sergeant Major Weaver. Shout out to him if he ever sees this. I know he's watched my YouTube video before, but yeah, he's literally the GOAT. Probably one of my favorite sergeant majors that I've been under in the last 6 years. So shout out to Sergeant Major. He gave this to me as one of my going away tokens, and I really appreciate them. Like, I appreciate the people who like rock with me during these like last year here, even though it's like 2 days past my last year, my 2 days past my year mark. But yeah, they like, I can honestly say I'm excited to leave. I'm happy to leave because I miss my family, I miss being in the States, I miss Chick-fil-A. So yeah, I'm gonna have to carry this because my household goods got packed up last Monday, so I have to physically like carry this on a plane. Can't put this in suitcase because it's probably gonna break. It's a bittersweet. Like, people are asking me, are you sad? Da, 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 da. No, I'm not sad. Like, I'm ready to go. I had a good time here. I had a decent time here. I got to travel. I met some really cool people, like good friends here that I really rock with, and I feel like that's all that matters. I got to see different parts of Korea. I got to visit 2 other countries, so I felt like my time spent here was great. So yeah, I'm gonna close up this vlog, and yeah, hopefully you guys see this vlog. You're gonna see this when I'm on leave. Like, this vlog's gonna get uploaded when I'm already on leave. And yeah, so I don't know how you end vlogs. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next vlog.
Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.